Now this one, I'm going to do some mods and weathering on myself. It's a man cab chassis truck with like a landscaping bed on it. It's pretty good size. At Dollar Tree, I also picked up this little cheap set racing car. It's got some little accessories. I'm going to use some pieces parts off this to modify this, but we'll see how that goes. All right, so the little man truck here, what do we got? What are we working with? It's got a tipper bed. It's not that well put on there, but I like it in case we put some accessories in here. Probably drill through the bed without having to take the entire truck apart. So that's going to be good. Of course, like most of these Matchbox type cars, it's pretty shiny, like it just came off the factory floor. I think I'm going to start out trying to take some of that off, making it look a little older, weathered. So we'll get to that. All right, what have we got here? Just a little bit of Scotchbrite pad. We're going to try to do some rubbing on this. See if we can just take some of that shine off. Or are we going to have to go to steel wool? I really rather not do steel wool because I do not know how these details are put on. We might start rubbing off too much paint. I'm just really trying to take the shine off with the Scotchbrite. Make it look not so new, like it's been sitting around 4 or 5 years. You look at trucks and things in the parking lots, they've had a lot of use. They really don't have that shine anymore. We'll see if we're getting any result here. Maybe a little bit. We'll work on it with the Scotchbrite and come back and see what we end up with. All right, hit a little bit with the Scotchbrite. It ended up taking out some of the nicely painted details of the wheel wells, the cab. Looking a little bit more shabby than it did to start out with. So probably a good base to continue.